there's already a bird right there in the field. I can't tell if it's got a beard on it yet. Oh yeah, I see a beard. I see a beard. It definitely is a gobbler. He's definitely interested in our decoys. And we got turkeys all around us. All right, here this turkey comes. It looks like it's committed to our decoys. Oh, there's a gobble. That's pretty cool. It's coming right to us. Not even fully daylight, and we've got a gobbler right in our face. Oh, that's awesome. We've got so many turkeys behind us. The turkey came in and it stayed to my far left. Being a right-handed shooter, I did not want to make a move. With all the turkeys that I can hear around us right now, we're going to get another chance. A couple turkeys about 60 yards on our left here. They're checking out our decoys right now, trying to decide what they're going to do. I feel pretty comfortable that they may come down and take a closer look, and they don't have to come a long way to be in range. Those turkeys have walked into the woods. They're actually still working this way a little bit. They're just really cautious. Here come more turkeys. They're coming right up the edge. There's a bunch of them. It looks like they're gonna come right to us. They're already almost in range. Just gonna let them come. There are more than 10. Gonna have to be really cautious to get a turkey separated so I don't shoot two. All right, whichever turkey's on the far right and separates itself, that's the one I want to take. Far right-hand side. Here we go. What an exciting morning hunt. Let's go out here and see what we got. Well, here's our bird. This was a really incredible fall turkey hunt. We had a bird hit the ground as early as I've ever seen a bird come off the roost. And I think it realized, hey, I'm early to this party. We could have got that bird, but we did not want to spook it. We wanted to make sure that we had an opportunity to hunt the rest of the morning because we thought there'd be more birds coming in. They were behind us, they were carrying on, they were being very vocal. That gobbler come up here and gobbled, got off to our left and got in the woods. We said, no big deal. And then here comes, I don't know, 10, 13 birds marched over the hill, got right into our decoys. I knew I had to take the bird to the extreme far right. So I was waiting for one to separate itself just enough, get its head up, so that I get a very clean, ethical shot. And it happened. We were able to put this bird down. Looks like we're gonna have turkey for Christmas at the Miles household. I'm looking forward to it.